My name is Renee. I'm a retired nurse. I'm a wife, a mother of two, a grandmother of four. Got bored with retirement, so we started doing some crafting and selling at craft shows. I like to read. I like to walk. That's what I enjoy. My symptoms came on very quickly. I was having really severe incontinence several times a day. It got bad really, really fast. I couldn't go out. If I did, I had to pack clothes, literally pack clothes to take with me for a change of clothing. And it was embarrassing. And you can't just get up and say, oh, I got to go to the restroom and excuse yourself. It's too late. I couldn't go to my exercise class anymore. I didn't even go out with my friends, actually. I got to the point where I was used to not going out and used to not having people in, so you kind of get real isolated, I guess, and you get out of touch with things. And my world was revolving mostly around treatments for this bladder. I was in my head trying to figure out what the heck was going on, knowing in the back of my head that I had to do something about it. And I knew I had to see a doctor. I was referred to a urologist. I went through a lot of treatments. Medication was not long-term, neither were any of the other treatments. And that was when I was introduced to Revi. When he showed me the implant, he measured my ankle. He showed me where it would be on my ankle. We went into a lot of depth about it. I thought, well, that doesn't look so bad. Maybe I can do that. And he said, it's just a small incision in your ankle. After he showed me what the Revi looked like, and I did my research on that, I decided to go ahead with the surgery. I had surgery at the hospital. They gave me a mild sedation, implanted the Revi. I didn't feel actually them implanting, but I did feel a tingling feeling in my heel, which is what they wanted because that's what you feel when you wear the Revi. After the surgery, I went home the same day. I had to elevate it, keep it iced. I had a dressing on it. After a couple weeks, I got my stitches out. I got the dressings off. And I was excited too because I was thinking, oh, this is going to be it. This is going to be the end of this journey. Looking back at the surgery and the recovery and the end result, it was well worth it. A couple weeks later, after I got my stitches out, I went back to another doctor's appointment and they activated my wearable. They adjusted it to what was comfortable for me. There's a range that they set it in, and actually I can adjust it myself. After you get it on, you don't even know you've got it on. You forget after the first couple seconds. I'm not a techie person, so I was concerned about that, but it's really easy. The Revi team were extremely supportive. Prior to my surgery, during and actually after, they were there for almost every appointment that I went to. I always knew I had a number to reach somebody if I needed to. It's been an epic, life-changing event. I just want people to know that there is an answer. I just hope that more people have the opportunity to experience the relief that I've gotten with Revi because, as I said, it's been life-changing.